I am not a really fan of 1800 layout, but I am starting to like it because of this keyboard. It's the Akko 5098B Wasteland Survival Edition, and it looks fantastic. Let's check it out. First, let's talk about the design and theme. It's a plastic keyboard with metal accents, an RGB LED strip under on both sides. Unfortunately, you can't use them unless it's very dark. 2 levels height adjustments for typing position preference, and a USB dongle pocket located right here, and an ambient LED mood light just below the screen. Just so you know, currently there are a total of 6 colorways to choose from: Black and Gold, Prunus Lanesiana, Santorini, Ink Green, the King's Avatar, which is a newly addition, and this one. Maybe there's few more coming out. Just follow Akko's social media platforms or check their website from time to time. Alright, so this Wasteland survival theme is like a game. Something like Mad Max or Fallout, right? And I am loving the colorway of this one because you know JTECH, he loves orange and black color combination. The illustration or artwork is super solid, especially in person. It's basically a wasteland setting with their cat Akko logo being the main character. Scroll wheel and screen are also present here, and we'll talk more about that later. Inside the box, we have keycap and switch puller, rubberized Type-C cable, extra switches, and a transparent supplementary novelty keycaps, which is really nice. As of now, the Akko V3 Piano Pro is the only switch available for this model. I am going to test it right now, and at the end of this video, I will put the rosewood switches here so we can compare. So what do you guys think? Please comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts about it. So here are the features of the 5098B. First, it's a tri-mode, so you can use the Bluetooth and the 2.4 wireless and a wired mode. Second, it's a hot swap switches, so you can use any mechanical switches you like. Third, it's a gasket mount with full acoustic dampeners. Finally, an 8000 milliamps battery capacity with a fast charging feature up to 4 times faster than a standard wireless keyboard. Obviously, this is a full layout keyboard just like the old times, but it's a bit more compact with better key placements. The numpad is present in case you need it, and this keyboard weighs around just 1 kilograms, which to me is still pretty handy. There's also a downloadable software so you can customize this keyboard. You can do remaps, macros, customize RGB lighting, and you can place any image you want or animation using GIFs or text on this beautiful portrait TFT screen. And speaking of screen, by far this is the most beautiful screen I have ever tried on a keyboard, and they are the first one to do it. According to Akko, many of them are only LED with low resolution. This one looks way better because it's a TFT screen, so the animation and resolution looks far better. By the way, you can access the settings by pressing function plus scroll wheel button. Aside from just controlling the media volume levels, you can control the RGB lighting as well. The keycaps are made up of PBT dye material, and it will not fade easily as long as you maintain them properly. It's a cherry profile, so it's best for both gaming and typing. As I mentioned earlier, there's a supplementary transparent keycaps which made this keyboard such a great deal for the price. So if you want to showcase some RGB bling blings, use these keycaps instead. I must say, for me, this is by far the best 1800 layout I have ever tried and used. Besides, I am not a full layout user. This stays on my keyboard collection. I just wish the Wasteland survival team desk mats were included in the package. But yeah, Anyway, you can get this keyboard at the price range of $109.99 to $115.99 or 5,100 to 5,600 pesos if you live in the Philippines. Buy links are in the description or pinned comment section. Thank you so much, Akko, for sending this keyboard for review. This is JTECH, wishing everyone a Merry Christmas. Hope you have a wonderful time with your family and loved ones. Enjoy the holiday season, guys. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.